Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Top 5 Products channel. Today, I'm excited to delve into the realm of cordless stick vacuums and showcase the top 5 Shark models that have garnered exceptional acclaim in 2024. Shark has consistently impressed me with their unwavering commitment to innovation and exceptional performance, and I'm eager to share my insights on these groundbreaking devices. Number 1. Shark IZ682H Vertex Pro, the pinnacle of cordless convenience. At the forefront of Shark's cordless offerings stands the IZ682H Vertex Pro, a testament to their unwavering dedication to cutting-edge technology. This vacuum embodies the epitome of cordless convenience, boasting an impressive 120-minute runtime on a single charge, making it ideal for tackling spacious homes without the hassle of frequent recharging. The Vertex Pro's true brilliance lies in its DuoClean PowerFins technology, a revolutionary design that seamlessly transitions from hard floors to carpets, ensuring deep cleaning on every surface. Its intelligent IQ display empowers users to select the optimal suction power to match their cleaning needs, maximizing efficiency while minimizing energy consumption. Number 2. Shark 9141 Pet, a pet owner's dream. For those seeking a vacuum specifically tailored to combat pet-related messes, the Shark 9141 Pet emerges as a frontrunner. This vacuum meticulously addresses the challenges of pet ownership, featuring an expansive XL dust cup, effortlessly accommodating the copious amounts of pet hair that inevitably accumulate in pet-friendly households. Illuminating dark corners and crevices with its integrated LED headlights, the 9141 Pet ensures that no trace of pet hair remains hidden. Its thoughtfully designed crevice tool and pet multi-tool excel at extracting pet hair from even the most stubborn nooks and crannies, leaving your home impeccably clean and fur-free. Number 3. Shark WS682AE WandVac, lightweight powerhouse. If maneuverability and lightweight design are your priorities, the Shark WS682AE WandVac is the ideal choice. Weighing in at a mere 7.5 pounds, this vacuum effortlessly glides across floors, making cleaning a breeze. Despite its diminutive size, it packs a powerful punch, effortlessly tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair with its impressive suction. The WandVac's HEPA empty base eliminates the need for messy filter changes, ensuring a hygienic and hassle-free cleaning experience. Its lightweight construction makes it perfect for cleaning stairs and hard-to-reach areas without straining your arm muscles. Number 4. Shark IZ682H Pro, versatility at its finest. Seeking a versatile vacuum that excels on a variety of surfaces? Look no further than the Shark IZ682H Pro. This vacuum seamlessly transitions from hard floors to carpets, intelligently adjusting its suction power using CleanSense IQ technology. This intelligent feature ensures that the vacuum always operates at the optimal level, maximizing cleaning effectiveness while minimizing energy consumption. The IZ682H Pro's odor neutralizer effectively combats pet odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and inviting. Its comprehensive set of accessories, including a duster, crevice, and pet tool, empowers you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Number 5. Shark IZ361H Pet Plus Anti-Allergen, a breath of fresh air. For those seeking a vacuum that prioritizes allergy-friendly cleaning, the Shark IZ361H Pet Plus Anti-Allergen stands out as a champion. This vacuum features an anti-allergen complete seal, meticulously capturing dust and allergens and preventing them from escaping back into the air you breathe. The IZ361H Pet Plus Anti-Allergen self-cleaning brush roll eliminates the tedious task of manually removing tangled hair, ensuring that your vacuum remains in top performance and free of obstructions. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even for extended cleaning sessions. Shark's cordless stick vacuums have revolutionized the way we clean our homes, offering a combination of powerful suction, lightweight maneuverability, and innovative technology. With a range of models tailored to specific needs, Shark empowers users to create cleaner, healthier, and more inviting living spaces. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. Also, let me know in the comments which shark vacuum you like the most and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.